Good morning, second grade. Miss Fogelman here this morning to work with you on money. Let's share my screen. All right, so today is November the 23rd, and we're counting money using the money symbol and the cent symbol. There is supposed to be a line through there, but it didn't work out too well. All right, so our learning target today is the student will count coins and paper money. Here are two anchor charts I would like to go over before we get started. All right, so again, we're reviewing. A penny is worth 1 cent. A 1 cent can be written in decimals as well as with a cent sign. In decimal, with a decimal period dot here, you put a 0 here because there's no dollar bills. You put a 0 here because there's nothing in that place. And then you put a 1 here because it is only 1 cent. Now, if it were 10 cents, you'd have a 1 here and a 0 here. 100 pennies equals $1. Now, here, a nickel is worth 5 cents. It can also be written as a 0 in the dollar place, your decimal point, a 0 here because you have nothing in that spot, and then 5 cents. 20 of these nickels equals $1. And you know that because if you count by 5, 20 times, you get 100 or $1. A dime is worth 10 cents. And here you'll notice that we now have that 1 here in this place, a 0 here because it is 10, and your decimal point is in the same place. You can say 10 of these equals $1. So if I count 10 times by 10, I get 100 or $1. Finally, a quarter, of course, is worth 25 cents. This is how you write 25, and you'll notice that both of these places have a number in them with 25. 4 of these quarters equals $1. Now, we also have a dollar bill, which is worth $1, a $5 bill, which is of course worth $5, a $10 bill, which is worth $10, and a $20 bill, which is worth $20. There are also $50 bills and $100 bills. Today we're going to be doing these two task cards. We are going to be counting how much money is shown. All right, so let me get my pen. Now, we want to begin with the dollar bills. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3. Remember, each of these dollar bills is only worth $1. So we put our dollar sign. Okay. We put 3. Then remember your decimal point because this is money. Then we start with our quarters because they're the highest coin. So 1 quarter plus 1 quarter is 50 cents. Okay, because 25 plus 25 is 50. Okay, and we can prove that by using our base 10 blocks, which is 2 10s, 5 1s, plus 2 10s, 5 1s, okay, equals, we have to take these 5, why is that not working? And these 5 together and make another 10, which means we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so that's how that equals 50. 50 plus another 25, because we have 3 quarters, is 75. And then if you add a 5, because this is a nickel, 5 cents to 75, you get 80. Okay, so this is $3.80. Over here, we have $2. Okay, don't forget your dollar sign because we need to let people know what the money mean or what the numbers mean. Your decimal point. We have 25 plus 25, which we've already said over here is 50. Okay, if we go from 50, then we have to add a 10, and a 1. So 50, counting by tens, 60, 70, and then add 1, 71. $2.71. Do not forget these money symbols so that the reader understands what that number means, okay? All righty. Let's continue. There will be task cards in Shobi for you to complete. Please figure out the amount of money on the task card and write it on the card. Remember to use the correct decimal point and money symbol, okay? So if you're dealing with just change, anything less than $1, you're dealing with the cent sign. If you're dealing with $1 or greater, you're dealing with the dollar sign. All right, thank you and have a great day.